Storms Tuesday left thousands of Kentucky homes and businesses without power. The governor's office says Kentucky had 11 confirmed tornadoes on Tuesday. Boyd County had 2 of those. One of the Boyd County tornadoes was an EF2, along with one in Jefferson County. The others were EF1s. There's still 1 confirmed death, a man who died in a car crash in Campbell County. Governor Andy Beshear toured the damage in Prospect on Wednesday. Today, the National Weather Service announced it upgraded the tornado that hit the city to an EF2. The National Weather Service says the tornado struck Jeffersonville, Indiana, before jumping the Ohio River and hitting Prospect. Wind speeds reached up to 120 miles per hour, destroying homes and downing large trees. Crews are still working to clear roadways. Governor Beshear also toured Jessamine County Wednesday, one of the areas hit by an EF1 tornado. There was extensive damage reported in an industrial park where several buildings had roofs and siding torn off. The last time the county was hit by a tornado was in 1995. An EF1 tornado also touched down in Anderson County, downing large trees and damaging buildings, particularly roofs. The National Weather Service reports 95-mile-an-hour winds. Emergency management crews were quick to help with cleanup, and some people have already started rebuilding roofs. Cleanup continues across Kentucky following severe weather on Tuesday. That includes in Lexington, where straight-line winds uprooted trees in the Cardinal Valley neighborhood. Power lines were taken down and some homes and vehicles were damaged. One homeowner who works the night shift was awakened by an unexpected alarm.
A lot of wind, and then it started to pick up, and then I just hear this kind of thunder. I heard the house shaking, and that's what happened with that noise.
Well, that noise was a tree coming down on his roof and vehicle. His car was crushed. Sancho says he's just glad he, his partner, and dogs are all safe. Crews immediately got to work removing trees from power lines so electricity could be restored.
We got to wait for KU to assess everything. Then they ground the lines, cut the power off, make sure that nothing's electrified. And they give us the go. We go in, assess the area, see what the dangers are and what's going on, and come up 3 or 4 plans to get it off safest, pick one and go.
Corey Dever estimates there were as many as 200 trees on power lines across Lexington. Watch full episodes and clips at KET.org, and you can also find Kentucky Edition on the PBS video app on your mobile device and smart TV. And follow KET on Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and Instagram to stay in the loop of all the great programming we have here on KET. And take good care. Good night.